Hey guys, our Wynnum project is flying along. So we've only been on site here for a little bit over a week. The house raises started here on Tuesday, it's now Friday. So I'll take you and give you a quick look around and show you what's going on here. But on this particular project, we're doing the lift up and building underneath. So it's been a really big week here, as usual. The team's killing it, everything's to perfection. So come in here, we got our temporary tap and all of our soap and everything all set up for the bloody coronavirus. So the house raisers are in here. We got a machine on site this morning. We've come through and pulled all the old stumps out, but it's been lifted up 1500 mil. These things behind me, so they're called sties. So house raisers sit house on sties and then they jack them up. They jack them up in sort of 200 mil increments, and then they slide in a new row of sties, and then they just keep going up basically. So you can see up above me here, so all the red is our new steel. So as per the engineering drawings, the guys have come through, they've put in all new PFCs and they're bolted in beside all the old timber ones, all to suit the layout of our wall. So you can see above me here, there's two 250 PFCs up here. It's doubled up, which is quite unusual. It's actually, we're creating a huge casual room, living room under here, so it's a really big span. But we've only got a certain amount of ceiling space to play with. So the engineers allowed us to do two 250 PFCs rather than a big 380 because we would have lost some ceiling height. So the guys got all the steel beams in now. We're drilling our holes. So we've been really lucky on this site. So we've found this really good yellowy red clay, which is really good for founding your foundations in. So we'll get all them drilled today, and then over the next couple of days the boys will get all the posts hung to height, and then the house will drop down 20 to 50 mil. So at the moment it's sitting slightly higher than where it needs to be. Once they get all the posts in perfectly to height, then we just lower the house back down on and she's good to go. We weld it all up, bolt it up, and it's finished. So yeah, it's coming along nicely. This one, our boys are awesome, so they've been around and marked all, on the underside of the old house, they've been around and marked out all of our window, door locations, anything that will interfere with our steel work. So that way we know the house raisers get the post in the perfect position. We don't have any interference, have to move doors or windows around later on. It's all set out perfectly. So guys, it's all in your preparation. This one's flying along. And yeah, if you're thinking about building or renovating or doing a lift and building under, make sure you contact DPS Constructions, because this is what we do. We love turning these old girls into beautiful homes.